Good afternoon. Myself Ravina Kalyan, Assistant Professor of Faculty of Applied Health Science in RPIT Campus, Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. Okay, so today we'll talk about the biomechanics of shoulder joint. First is introduction. And the shoulder joint is a synovial joint of ball and socket variety. It has more mobility than stability. Next are the component of shoulder complex. And the component of shoulder complex includes clavicle, humerus and scapula are linked with three interdependent linkage to form sternoclavicular joint, AC joint and glenohumeral joint. Additionally, a functional joint called scapulothoracic joint is considered as a part of shoulder complex. So that is the shoulder complex consists of four joints. First is sternoclavicular joint, second is acromioclavicular joint, third is glenohumeral joint and fourth is scapulothoracic joint. So first we talk about the sternoclavicular joint. The articular surface of sternoclavicular joint is a plain synovial joint and are incongruent, which consist of two saddle-shaped surfaces, one at the sternal or medial end of the clavicle and other at the notch formed by manubrium of sternum and first costal cartilage. Second is sternoclavicular disc. Sternoclavicular disc is a fibrocartilaginous disc to increase the congruency. Upper portion is attached to the posterior superior clavicle and lower portion is attached to manubrium and cartilage. In sternoclavicular joint, disc is considered part of manubrium in elevation, depression and thus upper attachment of disc serve as a pivot point and disc act as a part of clavicle in protraction, retraction with lower attachment serving as pivot joint. The function is to absorb the medially directed force transmitted along the clavicle from its lateral end. Now, SC joint, capsule and ligament. And the sternoclavicular joint is supported by the fibrous capsule and the ligaments that involved in sternoclavicular joints are sternoclavicular ligament, costoclavicular ligament which has two lamina anterior and posterior and third ligament is interclavicular ligament. And the diagram show the ligaments. The yellow portion show the interclavicular ligament, the brown portion show the anterior sternoclavicular ligament and the green portion show the costoclavicular ligament. Now the motion of sternoclavicular motion. The sternoclavicular joint the three rotated degree of freedom which includes elevation and depression, protraction and retraction, anterior and posterior rotation of clavicle. And it also shows the 3 degree of translator motion which include anterior and posterior, second is medial and lateral and third is superior and inferior. That is a sternoclavicular motion show the 3 rotatory degree of freedom and 3 degree of translator motion, in which elevation and depression. Clavicle elevation is of 48 degree and the passive clavicular depression is less than 15 degree. And protraction and retraction range is 15 to 20 degree of protraction and retraction is 20 to 30 degree. Anterior and posterior rotation of clavicle, in which anterior rotation of clavicle is 50 degree and posterior rotation of clavicle is less than 10 degree. Now is sternoclavicular stress tolerance. This joint does not undergo the degree of degenerative changes common is other joint of the shoulder complex. That is, the degenerative change is very less in this joint because there is very less stress tolerance on this joint. Second is strong force dissipating structures such as sternoclavicular disc and the costoclavicular ligament minimize the articular stress and also prevent extra intra-articular motion that might lead to subluxation or dislocation. So overall, the on sternoclavicular joint stress tolerance is very low which it is low because the presence of sternoclavicular disc and the costoclavicular ligament. This both minimize the articular stress on the sternoclavicular joint and which also prevent the subluxation and dislocation of this joint. Thank you.